Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Montego Ramon, man. Back at you with another video with the Risers X channel. We rise to the occasion, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. So we gonna just hop right into it, guys. Right now I am at work, and like I said, I just want to continue dropping a video every day and as often as possible, bro. I just want to keep the momentum going. So I just want y'all to see what I'm seeing real quick. So this was Friday. This week, man, I kind of just been on like really just trying to regroup. My nose is really itchy, sorry. I kind of just been trying to regroup mentally as far as like how I just want to approach trading going forward. I'm really in a space of like, we're learning to, number one, watch this. We're gonna type this out. We're gonna type this out. Number one, right? I'm gonna say one period. One, we're in a space of learning that we're removing the idea of making or idea of trying to make and chase. Let me see this, hold on. Chase money in the charts, right? So we have to get away from that idea of trying to make money in the charts. There's no, we are not, when you're looking at this chart right now, there is no money in here. You're looking at a bunch of rectangles and lines, bruh, and you're reading the price of something on the price of this instrument on the side, and it's like, that's not how you make money in this, or how you consistently make money or stay consistently profitable. You have to remove that from your charts. You have to remove that when you're trading. Remove that idea, because it's going to skew your vision of and make you perceive and force ideas that aren't happening in the charts, right? Number two, we're also learning to, let's say, slow down and only take quality trades with the higher time frame and high impact news, right? And high impact news, right? So this is important because we want to trade when there's volatility, and then we also want to trade when we have a clear bias, a clear direction of price, right? So this is going to be huge going forward, where we're understanding that we don't have to take as many trades in the day, and then making sure we're trading after high impact news, right? And then we also want to allow that to determine our bias as well. So, and then now we get, major moves. We're catching moves like this, you know what I mean? Where we had, this week we had core CPI and PPI come out, and then this thing has been selling off since. That is a humongous trade, right? That is a humongous trade, right? All right, let's do this. And then number three is live account trading plus prop firm trading. The reason why is because trading, like, okay, let's say I want to do probably a Forex account with a prop firm futures trading account. The reason why is because, let's say for instance, if I want to take trades from a just higher time frame standpoint, I want to hold them a little longer because I'm seeing the larger moves in the higher time frames. I want to be able to withstand that, and I want to allow my trades to be able to play out. Like, I want to be able to hold this trade over the weekend and allow that to play out. I can only do that in a live account that is mostly on the Forex side, right? Or that gives you a little more freedom. It's not just futures. Futures only, those contracts end that same day. You can't hold those contracts past 24 hours, right? The market is going to close every day for an hour at 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. Central Time, right? And that's it. It's going to close and close you out, right? So I think that's going to be cool for smaller trades and scalps. And then I want to be able to hold my long-term trades as I'm starting to slow down in my trading, taking more quality trades and trading less throughout the week, right? And so the rest is just going to be mentally preparing and tracking price using alerts. Number 4 is huge. Mental preparation, use alerts and mental preparation. Sorry, I'm typing with one hand as I'm holding the phone because we need to get a car. Mental preparation, right? Use alerts and mental preparation, right? This is important because now when we're not doing anything, we need to be tracking price and making sure we're getting the proper structure. We're seeing all the confluences, and we got the news to give us extra confluence, and now we're executing trades based off that. We're probably going to have wider stops, and we'll be doing a lot more swinging. I am much more profitable as a swing trader, though a lot of my leap options did come from I was trading with a group, right? But I feel like those trades are a lot easier. I understand how to read a chart, so I know where to find entries. And actually what I would do is, like, I'm hearing the plays being called out, but I don't even always take the plays. I don't always take the plays, and then I always try to find better entries, because a lot of times those entries where the guy was giving us the plays he was trading off mostly fundamentals, right? Versus he wasn't used to technicals heavy at the time. Versus me, I have great technical skills for executing entries, right? So a lot of these trades you'll still see, like even on this swing, guys, you can see right here, I'm just on the 1 hour, you can see in this swing right here, there is a clear price gap right here. You got another one up here, a fair value gap, sorry, for an entry, right? Just still following my strategy. And even here, right? Boom, even here, right? And even in the purple right here, these are trades that could have been executed, and I could have just held this for the week, right? We could have shorted this whole week as we came up into this gap. We got the right closures to continue. We probably would have been in around here maybe, right? And then we're just holding as we reach down into this weekly fair value gap. We could have held it to this level, right? We could have held it down to this level. We could have took it down to here, right? That's a huge freaking trade, guys. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. Going forward, we see today's price action. I took an entry on this pullback right here. I set an alert. I want to show y'all. I set an alert. You can see it right here. This is the alert I set, which I'm probably gonna remove it. And then I wanted to see price come into this area and see how it react, right? And as y'all can see, this thing came close to my stop, but then reversed and was coming down, because I took the entry, as you can see right here at 28.87. We went into 100 and some odd points of drawdown, right? And so we just held, because I think we're gonna come down to these levels. I think we're gonna come down as far as like here, and maybe even lower, right? And so and then I just walked away, right? If I would have probably stayed there and watched that trade, I probably would have closed the trade and wouldn't have been in profit right now. But that's what we did. So that's where we at with it now, guys, and that's how I'm feeling about everything. So just going forward this weekend, we're gonna dive a little more into it. I'm gonna drop another video tomorrow in the day, as I'll go through and kind of review and see what I'm looking for in the next trades and things like that. I think we also took trades in gold and ES, and we gonna really start using more of a fundamental bias with our trades and things like that, and probably even add on a few things to our strategy, yo. So I think this is great. It's a great video for now. I think that we offer some pretty good gems, man. Y'all let me know if that stuff was some good gems or not, you know what I mean? And y'all have a great weekend, man. It's Friday. I'll be dropping this video shortly. Y'all have a good one. Peace. It's your boy Montego Ramon with the Risers X channel, where we rise to the occasion. Peace.